Let's discuss the pericardium channel. Points overview. Tonification point, P9. Sedation point, P7. Horary point, P8. P1 important for angina point, P3 intestinal problems, blood heat. P4 main point for angina, chest pain, palpitations. P6 main for nausea point, opens chest, heart disease, calm spirit. P8 for mouth problems, heat. P9 revival point. Points of the primary pericardium channel overview. Specific points according to their function. U1 source point, P7. Luo connecting point, P6. C-cleft point, P4. Associated back shoe point, bladder 14. Associated front move point, Ren 17. 5 shoot transporting points, Jingwell point, Wood, tonification point, P9. Ying spring point, Fire, bend point, 5 phases, P8. Shoestring point, Earth, sedation point, P7. Jing river point, Metal, P5. Hussey point, Water, P3. Way meeting point, there's none. Opening point of the Yin Wei Mai, P6. Lower Hussey point, there is none. Yao Wei meeting point with the liver, triple burner, gallbladder channel, P1. Of the other channels with the pericardium channel, there's none. Gao Wu command point for the thoracic region, P6. Window of heaven point, P1. Points of the 4 Cs, Madanyang heavenly star point, there's none. Sansi Miao ghost point, P7, P8. Other functional points, important point for eliminating phlegm, misting the orifices, P5. Important point for calming the shen, P6.